5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. So on today's lesson we'll be learning about how to write from a file. Right. We'll be learning how to create a file and write from a file. So we'll start by saying hashtag include iostream. Right. So the file is not created currently, so we'll create the file and then we'll be writing from a file using C++ programming. So in this tutorial we'll say hashtag include iostream, hashtag include fstream, right, which is the file stream. Then we'll be using our standard namespace. And then inside our main function where an executable file is created, we'll say fstream create file because we are creating a file, right? So the name of the file will be bongane.txt, right? I'll be using my name for the file name just for demonstration purpose. So I'll be using my name and last name, so it's going to be bonganelala.txt, and then we'll open the file in input iOS in and then iOS out. Then we want to append from the file. Right. We want to be able to add to the file. Then we'll be adding to the file as well. We'll be writing from a file and adding to the file in this tutorial. So if, and we have our if statement. Look at that. So if the file is not created, file is not created dot, also we'll use is open, right? So if the file is not created, so we cannot open the file, so that's why we use what dot is underscore open. So we can only open a file when it's created. Then we'll output cout error okay, file could not be created, right? And then or else, in our else statement we'll say file created successfully. Else cout. If everything is good, then this is what's going to output, right? We have created our file, then we can write to our file. File created successfully. Right. If you're still with me on this one, so we just created a file, right? So the program will check if the file is created. If it's not created, then it will say file could not be created. If the file is created, it will say file created successfully. Right. We'll remove the appender and we'll try to build the program. We have errors, and then we didn't put a semicolon there. We needed the semicolon because each and every statement in C++ ends with a semicolon. So it says file could not be created. Alright. So the file is not created here. So we need to add the iOS append for us to be able to open the file. We need to add the file. We need to create, add, and then we can add content on the file, right? iOS append, and then we try to build now. build the program. Hopefully we don't have any errors. Then when we run this now, it says our file has been created successfully, and now we have bonganelala.txt. so we've just created our text file, right? So we can write on this file. So now I'll further show you how to write on this file, right? The file that we have created. So we're going to output, say out, writing to the file, right? And adding to the file. Want to write and add, right? Want to be able to do both of these things. Want to add. So here you say create file, right? You just output using the create file. Create file, because the file is already created. Then now we can write content on it. Create file, then we write whatever we want to write. So I'll write Online Education Academy ZA. This is what will be displayed in my file. So if you like this video, you can go onto this YouTube channel, Online Education Academy ZA, and subscribe, right, for more content. Like, so what I'll write on this file is Online Education Academy ZA, and then for demonstration purpose, then the Online Education Academy YouTube channel. So this is a YouTube channel that is creating this content, so you can give me some love by subscribing to this channel, Online Education Academy ZA, where I'll be teaching you more content and more ways to create things. Alright, so okay, then we just have to build and run again. We'll click on build the program. Hopefully we don't have any errors. Then we'll run the program. It says file created successfully, writing to the file and adding to the file. So we must go and check our file. So alright then, we'll check. Now it says Online Education Academy ZA YouTube channel. Alright, so we've successfully written to our file, right? We've created and written to our file. So we'll build and run the program again. So it says, yeah, writing and adding to the file. Then we open our file. So it has added the line again, Online Education Academy ZA YouTube channel. So this is how you create and write from a file in C++. Alright, for more videos on how to do C++ programming, you can consider subscribing to Online Education Academy ZA for more content, and let me know what you want to